Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's find out together. I've got our happy faces, our feeling faces here. I guess they're not all happy. Do you feel like any of these today? Let's have a look here. This one, what do you think? Feeling kind of happy, a little relaxed, calm. What about this one? Is this my sad face? I might be sad because I scraped my knee, or I might be sad because I woke up in the middle of the night and it was dark and I couldn't find my adult, so I might have been a little scared. I might be sad because I'm scared. Do you ever get scared or sad? What about this one? Oh, this is an angry face. I might be mad because my little brother broke my toy. Or I might be mad because I wanted to play baseball today and now it's raining and I can't go play baseball. Do you ever feel mad, angry? Disgruntled is another word for mad or angry. It's kind of a silly word, isn't it? What about this one? Am I nervous, or maybe I'm just shy? I could be curious, or I could be, what else? What else does this one look like? How about embarrassed? I might be embarrassed. Maybe I was supposed to color my picture red and I accidentally colored it blue. That might be embarrassing. Or I might call my mom Brenda, and that's not her name, so that could be a little bit embarrassing. Do you ever get embarrassed? Embarrassing things happen sometimes, and that's okay too. And then we have a happy face. I think I'm going to use this one today because I'm feeling pretty happy. I'm having a good day so far. So I'll put up a happy face here. And then I'm going to show you what we forgot yesterday. Do you remember? Do you know what day it is today? Did your adult maybe mention it this morning, what day it is? Or do you remember from yesterday? We forgot to do something on our calendar though. We're missing something here. Do you see that? This was yesterday, which was Monday, and we forgot something here. This day has an orange circle, this day has a purple triangle, and this day has an orange circle as well. So orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle. We forgot to do it. So let me get purple, because that's what we used to color this triangle. And let's put that in there for yesterday. 3 sides, 3 points, or corners. They just look so much pointier on a triangle. I like purple. Do you have a favorite color? Purple is a nice color. So yesterday was purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle. So what do you think today is? If we've already done an orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, what do you think the next picture in this pattern will be? Orange circle? I think that would be a great guess. So let's do an orange circle and color that in. So sometimes we forget to do things, we make mistakes, or our memory just isn't working at that day, or maybe we know, but we just don't have time. So when that kind of stuff happens, then we can just do it later or do it the next day. That's okay too. So today is orange circle day, and we'll go straight up the column, and it's Tuesday. Have you heard of Tuesday before? Kind of reminds me of the number 2, but it's spelled a little bit different. But Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, and let's see, we need to put our number here. So yesterday's number was 4. What do you think comes after 4? Let's see. Let's start here and we'll count and see if we can remember just by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 comes next. And you make a 5 by making a line down like this and on almost circle and then a line across. That's a 5. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We also say the 5th. So it's Tuesday the 5th. When we put numbers in a calendar, we kind of say them a little bit funny. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So let's see. Now that we counted up to 5, do you think you can count backwards with me? It's okay if you don't know how yet, but we'll practice together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Blast off! So let's go and count our days. Since we're counting, doing so well, do you remember how many days of the week there are? Should we count them and find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And our day today is Tuesday because yesterday was Monday. So we've got Tuesday the 5th. So now let's go up to our month. Do you remember what this word is? We've talked about it a couple of times. It's January. And we spell it with a J, January. For words like jump and jiggle. Do you like to jiggle? J is a jiggle word. A letter for jiggle. January. You spell it again with me? January. 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 And that's what month we're in. And do you remember how many months there are in a year? Can you make a guess? Let's find out if you're right. Let's count. Oh, my April is popping off. It pops off every day. Did you notice? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more time, really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Do you think you can remember what they are all called? Can we try do the names of the months? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. I love it when you try. It's so good to try things. You never know what you can do until you've tried it. So let's do our weather. We're missing our weather card here. I went outside today and the trees were moving back and forth like this. And there's no leaves on our trees right now because it's winter. So it was quiet. In the summer, you can hear the leaves rustling. But in the winter, the trees just move a little bit. And some of the snow was picking up off the ground in little fluffs and blowing down the street. So what do you think that could be? Do you think it's cloudy? I suppose it could be. I was so distracted by the wind. It could be cloudy, but I don't think so. Sunny? Do you think it was sunny? Let's have another look. Rainy? Nope, I don't think it's rainy. Windy? That would definitely make the trees move. And it might blow the snow around a little bit. So let's put that up there. And then let's do our weather chart together. Will you help me find windy so that we can put a tally mark? Do you remember how to do a tally mark? Put your finger up, way up high, and strike it down. That is how we make a tally mark, or the number 1. Way up high, strike it down. So let's see. Here's a sun. Wasn't sunny. Here's a cloud, but it wasn't cloudy. Here's a cloud with some rain, but it wasn't raining. It's winter. It usually doesn't rain in winter up where I live. It usually just snows. The next one is a snowflake, but it wasn't snowing either. And this one has a sun and a cloud, so that's partly cloudy and partly sunny, but it wasn't that either today. And here is windy. We finally get to check off the windy. So we're going to take our marker and we're just going to make a tally mark right here. Start at the top and move it down. There's a tally mark. And at the end of the month, we're going to see how many days we had of each weather. So let's put our days and our month and the date into a sentence. So remember, it's Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. So 2021, 2021. And so we say 2021, but you can also say 2021 because there's two groups of numbers that resemble other numbers. Do you know what resemble means? It means they look like. So 2 and a 0 make 20, and a 2 and a 1 make 21. So some people say it's 2021. And then some people will say it's 2021, and that is up to you, whatever you would like to say. So our sentence starts with the word today. It has a capital T because it's the first word of the sentence, T-O-D-A-Y. And the second word is, and you spell it I-S. So today is Tuesday. I forgot to say the letters as I was printing it. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And then we put a comma here. Do you remember what a comma is for? It's for a pause, right? So when we're talking, we know to pause there. So it's Tuesday, January, January. And then it's the 5th. So we're going to put a 5 here. And then a comma. And then 2021. So 2021. 2021. So will you say the sentence with me all together? Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Look at how tall my tail is on the J here. I'm just going to wipe that off. Remember what I said? Sometimes when we're printing or practicing, our letters don't always turn out like they should. But that's okay because we are just practicing. So if our letters don't look like the letters in a book or how our adults write letters, that's okay. So today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. And then I'm going to show you my agenda. And I just realized that I forgot to replace my paper in the back. Remember I used the last one yesterday? So I'm just going to take a piece of paper and it just needs some holes. So I just can't put it in the binder yet because I haven't put a hole in it yet. And I'm going to do today. Now, do you remember what it was? Can you tell me? Tell me what it is. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And then a comma. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And I ran out of space here, so I'm going to put the 5 down here, and then a comma, 2021. And it's the 5th day, do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am going to print my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I want to practice writing my numbers every day so that I get really good at it. And it was windy today, so I'm going to take a blue crayon and do windy. Let's just make some lovely swirls like this. Does that look windy to you? I think it looks windy. I think that's great. So today, I need to decide what I should do today. What do you think I should do? Well, let's see. I think I'm going to go grocery shopping. I need to get some groceries. We've ran out of some things, so I need to go get some things like bread and apples. So I'm going to draw a shopping cart. Have you ever seen a shopping cart? Do you go grocery shopping with your big person? I'm going to draw a line down and make myself a rectangle. And then I'm going to put lines in here because our shopping carts kind of look like a cage. They've got these wires that go back and forth on here. And then I need a handle. And then I also need wheels. And our shopping carts have a thing on the bottom so that we can put the big things down here like the laundry soap or the cat food and kitty litter. Do you have a pet? I have a cat. It's very cute. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go shopping, and I'm just going to look back into my agenda because I forgot to see what I did yesterday. I did. I checked it off because I did my shoveling with my neighbor yesterday. That was me being kind, remember? Now, if you're doing this every day and you don't know how to print your day of the week or the month yet, you can just practice by starting with a letter. So this is the letter J, which is a good one to practice because it's January. J is in January. So you start at the top and you go down and up, down and up. And then you can top it off with a little line if you want to. Not everybody does, but you can if you want to. And then we'll do a J, a little one. Big J, little j. Uppercase J, lowercase j. So there's always two ways to draw a letter. And I'm going to keep this up because I still feel pretty happy. I'm glad that you came to visit with me today, and I hope that we continue to have a great day. Do you remember about doing something kind for people today? What do you think that you could do today? What do you think would be a good thing to do for someone today? I know. How about if you go for a walk? I'm going to go for a walk later, maybe on the way to the grocery store. And when I see somebody, I am going to say hello. I can say hello, but it's cold, so I'll probably have a scarf on. But lots of people are also wearing masks right now. So that person might not be able to hear me. So I'm going to wave with my hand. Do you think you can do that today? If you see somebody, maybe out for a walk, maybe you're in the car, you can just wave at them. And that person will know that you're saying hello, and it'll make them feel really nice. And I bet you that they will wave back at you. And that's how we make good neighbors. So can you do that today? Make somebody's day just by waving at them. I think that would be a wonderful thing to do. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope that I can see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.